Welcome. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to send a photo with text on Facebook chat group using your PC with the latest updates. Let's get started with these simple steps. Step 1. Open facebook.com on your web browser by typing the URL in the address bar and hitting enter. Step 2. Click on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the Facebook page. This will open the messenger interface. Step 3. Navigate to any chat group on Facebook that you want to send a photo with text to. Step 4. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window next to the text box. If you don't see these options, click on the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal more options. Step 5. Select the photo you wish to send by clicking on it, and then click on the Open button to attach the photo to your message. Step 6. Write the accompanying note or message you want to send along with the photo. Once you are ready, click on the Send button or simply press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily share a photo with text in a Facebook chat group on your PC. Enhance your communication and engagement with your friends and group members using this feature. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a photo with text on Facebook chat group on PC. Stay connected and make your conversations more engaging with visuals and messages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Keep exploring the latest features and updates on Facebook.